Hello guys, today I've got Redmi Headphones Neo and I'm going to show you how you can easily disconnect your headphones from your iPhone and connect to them back again. You need to at first open the settings. Here, scroll down and open Bluetooth. Now you need to tap this info icon near your headphones in the Bluetooth devices list. Here, as you can see, we've got disconnect button. Let's just tap this button. Of course, now we've got our headphones disconnected. Now somebody else can connect to our device. If you want to connect back again, you need to tap them in the devices list. As you can see here, I've got them. Let's tap them and now I'm connected. Of course, they need to be available to connection. Goodbye.